What gives life meaning? Why do some people suffer even the harshest conditions and still find purpose? These are the questions Viktor Frankl tackles in his powerful book, Man's Search for Meaning. In this video, we'll explore some key lessons from Frankl's work, and how they can help you find purpose, even in the most difficult times. Lesson 1. The search for meaning is universal. Frankl believed that the search for meaning is fundamental to being human. No matter where you're from or your circumstances, the desire to find meaning drives us all. But how we find that meaning can vary. For Frankl, it wasn't about chasing happiness or success, it was about finding purpose, even in suffering. This leads us to Lesson 2, meaning can be found in suffering. One of the most profound lessons Frankl shares is that meaning can be found even in suffering. Drawing from his own experience as a Holocaust survivor, Frankl writes that when we are no longer able to change our situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. This means that how we choose to respond to suffering can give our lives deeper purpose. Lesson 3. We always have the power of choice. According to Frankl, we can't always control what happens to us, but we can always control how we respond. Even in the face of tragedy, we have the power to choose our attitude. This choice, between giving up or finding meaning, gives us the freedom to shape our own lives. Lesson 4. Purpose comes from 3 sources. The book identified 3 main ways we find meaning: through work, through love, and through how we endure suffering. Our work can give us a sense of accomplishment. Our relationships with others can fill our lives with love and connection. And our ability to handle suffering can transform hardship into personal growth. Lesson 5. The importance of personal responsibility. Each of us is responsible for finding and fulfilling our own purpose. Life won't hand it to us on a silver platter. It's up to us to pursue meaning, whether through creativity, relationships, or personal growth. This sense of responsibility empowers us to live with intention and make meaningful choices. Meaning is a lifelong journey. Finding meaning in life is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing journey. As Frankl puts it, life asks us questions, and it's up to us to respond with purpose, day after day. Whether in moments of joy or hardship, the search for meaning never stops. How you can apply these lessons. So, how can you apply these lessons to your life? Start by reflecting on what gives you purpose. When you face challenges, remember that you have the power to choose your response. And find meaning in your work, your relationships, and how you handle adversity. As the book teaches us, meaning is always within reach, even in the darkest of times. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on finding meaning and living with purpose.